देख रहे हैं जेवी टीवी। नमस्कार, यू आर वॉचिंग जेवी टीवी। मुस्कुराइए, आप जेवी में हैं। Friends, we have a very renowned educationist here in a studio, Professor Shobha Lal sir. He is a proctor here. Sir, we are welcoming you in our studio.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
So please give us your self-introduction.
Yeah, madam, as you told me that I am working here as a proctor of the university, as well as my responsibility is that I am also Dean of the Faculty of Education and Methodology, as well as I am Professor of Mathematics and Computing. And as I let me allow to share with you,
Yes,
with
sir.
the viewers, that very recently I have got Franklin membership, that is very, very prestigious membership given by the world community. Franklin membership by London Journal Press
Okay,
for
sir.
my prestigious publication.
Congratulations,
Thank
sir.
you, madam. Because in this year, this current year, one Mr. R.P. Sharma from IIT Kanpur, he is a professor of industrial and engineering.
Okay.
He and myself.
Okay. You both got that.
Yeah. No, he
award.
separately has got, and
Okay.
I have also got. So it is a matter of pride for all the viewers, for all my colleagues, for all my well-wisher, and also I represent India for American Mathematical Society, because I am the single reviewer of American Mathematical Society.
Okay.
That the name of the prestigious journal of American Mathematical Society is MR, Mathematical Review.
Okay.
So I represent India, and I review the papers who are published in that prestigious, you can say, journal.
Okay, sir.
And I have got different awards given by different organizations, as the Best Director Award, Best Researcher Award, Best Teacher Award, like
Okay.
that. So this is the simple introduction of me.
Sir, how many years you have been into this field?
Madam, I started my career as a lecturer
Okay.
in the year of 1993.
Okay.
And since then I am in teaching, and
Okay.
since 1996, when I enrolled in PhD, first of all in Bihar University Muzaffarpur,
Okay.
currently that is Bhimrao Ambedkar Bihar University Muzaffarpur, I done my PhD from there. And since you have asked a very good question, so I would like to share that my topic of research was related to space engineering, and in that very university there were no any infrastructure related to that. So Bihar University Muzaffarpur gave me a study center, you can say orientation center, by the then Vice Chancellor S.K. Sinha of the university, as ISRO. And at that time APJ Abul Kalam
Okay.
was the chief scientist of ISRO, and I have
Oh my
privilege
God.
that I worked with him.
Very nice, sir.
He also guided me in my research work, and the
Very
topic
nice.
of my research was a study of circular orbit of a test particle in the equatorial plane of black hole.
Okay. Very nice, sir. And from where you have done your masters, your graduation?
I have done my master to you can say from my complete education is from Bihar,
Okay.
and up to 10 plus 2 there was IAC at that time, Intermediate of Science.
Okay.
And Intermediate of Science to PG and PhD I have done all from Bihar University Muzaffarpur.
So the result is we have you here
Yeah,
as a
yeah.
guest.
Yes.
So let's talk about the Faculty of Education and Methodology.
Yes.
What are the courses which are running here in JVWU?
So far the Faculty of Education and Methodology is concerned, madam, this is the largest faculty of Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and this faculty has a Department of Science and Technology,
Okay.
this has a Department of Education, Teaching and Methodology. And the another department is Social Science, Humanities and Journalism.
Okay.
So these are the major departments, and in this under this faculty, and we have very, you can say, delightful one discipline is here, that is fashion and interior design also.
Yes, it's a glamorous one.
Yeah, glamorous one for the girls.
Yes, sir.
And we have, Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. First of all, in 2008, started engineering.
Okay.
Means I want to share with you that when I joined here in 2000, end of the 2008 to this end of 2010, then here was Faculty of Engineering and Technology.
Okay.
And since then, this university has given, you can say, so many intelligent and so many, you can say, talented engineers to the industry and society. Our students of JVW and our student of Department of Science and Technology are working in Facebook,
Okay.
in Google, in Microsoft,
Very nice.
and you can say in Indian industries like Tata Consultancy, means TCS, Birla Software,
Yes.
Wipro, IBM. It means if you can say after our first batch was out in 2012, and since 2012 our girls, or you can say girl engineers, are working in different organizations.
Okay.
And we are privileged to, we are happy, and it is my privilege to discuss with you that all the engineers are working in a very dynamic mode,
Okay.
and they are showing that how university has empowered the women,
Of course.
and how the girls are fulfilling the mission of the university, that education for you can say community development leading to women's empowerment. So that has been the dream of our honorable founder and advisor, sir, Dr. Pankaj Garg sir, and honorable chairperson madam, that the mission of the university should be fulfilled, and our engineers, our girls are fulfilling.
Yes,
Especially this is the talk about you can say our engineering students, our students of B.Ed, M.Ed, you can say BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, means integrated program, especially our M.Ed students, or you can say BSc honors, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and other humanities and social science, journalism subjects. They are also doing very well. Every year, dozen of students are competing different competitive examinations.
Okay, sir.
Whether that is RAS, Rajasthan Administrative Services, whether that is Bihar Public Service Commission, whether that is MP, PCS, means Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, whatever may be the State Public Service Commission, our students are competing every year.
Okay.
Because of the fact, we are grooming them in that direction. We
Of
work
course.
in that direction under the leadership and dynamic leadership of our advisor sir, that how to hold them, how to, you can say, give them such a tone, such a momentum, so that they can get the goal. And this is the first university of India that work on the pattern of portfolio division. Portfolio division means at the time of admission, means after first orientation session, means within a month, we divide our students in different three portfolios.
Okay.
That is
What are
government
they?
portfolio,
Yes.
corporate portfolio, and entrepreneur portfolio.
Okay.
So if a student is choosing government portfolio, means she is going to start her study as per the curriculum decided for her.
Okay.
But along with that, she is also preparing for her dream job.
Of course. Very nice concept.
She is also preparing for, if her mission is to if her ambition is to fight for Rajasthan Administrative Service.
Yes.
So she is preparing for that.
Okay.
and our faculty is providing facility for that. We are facilitating.
Okay.
We are giving free of cost coaching facility to them, that after completing your 9 to 3 academic hours, you can join our additional classes in the form of as a student term it as a coaching. So we have been, you can say, fortunate to that we have a runner of, or we have a you can say achiever of the result under the university coaching division in the last some years.
Okay, sir. Sir, you are leading the Department of Education and also...
I am leading the faculty.
Yes, sir. You
Yeah.
are leading the faculty and also leading the Department of Engineering and
Yeah,
Technology. Sir, what are the courses running there in the Department of Engineering and Technology?
In engineering and technology, madam, actually, you know, this is university, and in university there is a UGC has given imparted power that we can start any program here as per the need of this industry, as per the need of the society, as per the need of the stakeholders, and the feedback we get from the society. You see, you can say that since last some years, the demand of some programs, or some, you can say, some specific programs,
Yes.
have been, you can say, under retardation position.
Yes, sir.
Means that is not getting very good momentum. So recently we have electronics and communication engineering, civil
Okay.
engineering, computer science engineering, fashion design and interior design.
Okay.
But since this university deals with the you can say a special section of society, we teach only girls here.
Yes, sir.
So you can say that for girls the module of the study as per the, you can say, nature of the job must should be as per their choice and as per their working, you can say, stamina.
Okay.
So computer science engineering is currently is the, you can say, major program that we are running. But in under computer science and you can say under computer science we have BTech in computer science, and a specialization we have started, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay.
So machine learning and artificial intelligence is going to be very, very precious and very, very important aspect for the career of any computer science engineers.
Okay.
Because in coming days, the challenges the society will be facing will be only answered by machine learning and artificial
Yes, sir.
intelligence. So we are training, we are doing on that, and we are working on that, and we have started BTech CS in machine learning and artificial intelligence.
Okay, sir.
Also, we have BTech plus MTech integrated program.
Integrated courses.
Yeah,
Okay.
program. We have also MCA, and we have also, you can say, MTech, that is completely convergent and focusing to the need of the industry and society. That is research based program.
Okay.
Where we our maximum focus is on the concept of data analysis.
Okay.
Data analysis.
Huh.
So this is the concept that we are applying there in our PG program. Means we have under computer science we have MCA, lateral entry. Lateral entry means those who are coming after completing their BTech and they are taking admission, so they are saving some years.
Okay. And how
Yeah.
many years?
Generally, these are actually, you start your first semester, then second semester, then
Okay.
third semester, then means if by lateral entry students get direct admission in third semester.
Third semester.
Third
Okay.
semester. They save their some time.
1 year approx?
Yeah, 1 year approx.
Okay. Sir, if we talk about the career options, what are the career options in the front of students after passing this course?
Madam, again, I would like to share with you that that is the specific, you can say, nature of the module of the, you can say, academic of our university, that we on very first day, we discuss about program outcomes to the students. And then we discuss to a very, you can say, hidden context of the you can say study. Then we say to the student that after knowing program outcomes, you know the course outcomes. Now I am going to make it clear by an example.
Yes, sir.
Example is that suppose your sister is pursuing BTech from this university, and she has right to know that what she can do after completing her BTech in computer science, engineering. So your question is
yes, sir.
giving direct hint to speak about that the program outcomes.
Yes, sir.
Means after completing BTech in computer science, a student of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University or any student who is pursuing BTech computer science, she can join as a research analyst.
Okay.
She can join as a data analyst. She can join as a software developer.
Okay.
She can join as a network administrator. And there are ample of job opportunities. Because after this pandemic, you see that most of the activities, whether they are academic or administrative activities, even your radio station, your, you can say, television, most of them are running and guided by softwares.
Yes, sir.
And the technology.
Of course.
So we are working over that.
Okay.
Or our students are working over that. So a specific dimension that was earlier has also taken some expansion. So we are improving ourselves as per the need of the society.
Okay, sir.
Our students are working on the development of different apps. They are working how to, you can say, analyzes the sentiment of the people. If your mother is not feeling well, how that sentiment can be analyzed. If you are in JB and she is at her home. So what should be the way of, you can say, analysis, how the communication should be made, what type of, you can say, place it should be suggested. Automatically or artificial intelligence episode can send to her that yes, you see this you like this.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to ask you how we are different from other. This is the era of competition. ऐसे हिंदी में भी we said that प्रतिस्पर्धा का जमाना है. So how we are different from others?
Madam, one thing that you should note, and I hope that you are a little bit knowing or should know, that this is the first university in India
Yes.
that produce non-addicted women to the nation. Because
Yes,
in our campus there is no mobile.
no mobiles. Yes.
So if they don't have if they have no more mobile, you can say orientation on the addiction on the, you can say, using mobile.
Yes.
So firstly, they are healthy mentally and physically because they are escaping themselves from the radiation.
Yes.
Different, you can say, injurious wave that is radiated by the mobiles. First. Second, due to, you can say, absentia of mobile, they are being more human interactive.
Of course.
And the one girl is talking to
Other.
She is trying to know the culture.
Yes.
of integration of other girls.
Of course.
One is from Odisha, someone is from Bihar, someone is from Jammu, someone is from Maharashtra, someone is from Kerala. You know, Jyoti Vidyapeeth campus is a, you can say, union of different cultures and different, you can say, thinking of students.
Of course.
Students from almost all the states of India, and even some students of abroad are also in the campus.
Yes, sir.
So if they are not using mobile, then they are interacting to each other.
Yes, sir.
So our students are differentiating in
Yes.
this case.
Of course.
First, second, especially our Department of Science and Technology, we have more than 90 collaborations with different industries,
Okay.
where we train our students. We send our student for industrial visit. We seek their help in placement activities.
Okay.
Also, we have a very strong training and placement cell. And you know, every year, our one student is selected in more than one company.
Okay.
Means, if there is a girl, her name is Manisha, as your name is.
Yes, sir.
So she is selected in TCS, she is selected in IBM, as well as she is selected in any other company. Then she has to choose then in which company she should go.
Okay.
Because we trained our student as according to the need,
Okay, sir.
as according to the portfolio. So this differentiate us from the other organizations.
All right, sir.
Those who are just going in the class, because you can say, frankly, I am telling you, students are not mechanical things.
Of course.
They are not machines that you are
Yes.
going in the class and you are starting machine and you are speaking lecture. You are asking that you write all the things, and this is not. Here, there is a very systematic module of learning for the girls, and we work on that.
Okay.
And the USP of this university is that you know that this is a safe, and we deliver education, we provide education to the girls, to the learners in a very safe and secure environment.
Yes, sir.
So that also differentiates us from other organizations.
Of
And you
course.
know, for girls, safety and security is a major concern,
Of course.
rather than their
Activity.
academic activity. Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Sir, a message to the viewers.
Message to the viewer is that you should join the hand of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, because if you love to empower the women,
Yes, sir.
if you love to see the happiness in a society, if you love to see peace in the society, if you love to see the 3 consecutive generation literate, if you see that there should be a very systematic and convergent development of the society, if you see that there should be equal distribution of rights to
Yes,
the
sir.
women, then you should join the hand of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. You should join our hand. You should promote at least more than one student for technical and professional education. You should refer some students to us, and you should help us in fulfilling the mission and vision of the university. And gone are the days
Yes, sir.
when there was any, you can say, discrimination, there was any
Violence.
line
Yes, sir.
that was
There is a
differentiating.
line.
Yeah, there was that this is woman and this is a male,
Male.
this is a male, this is a female. No. Now, society should accept the change.
Of course. Right to equality.
Yeah, right to equality. And even Honorable Supreme Court of India has also said that daughter has equal right
Of
in the
course.
property of her parents,
Her parents.
as a son has.
Yes.
So why not in education?
Of course.
They should be given complete domain. They should be given complete freedom. You should love your daughter. If you are loving your daughter, then you should give maximum education. You should promote for higher education to your daughters.
Daughter. Thanks for coming, sir.
Thank you very much, and I hope that by our this discussion, students and stakeholders will be benefited. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. We will have another guest in another episode. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Have a smile on your face.